In today's video, we're going to go through a step-by-step guide on how to simplify the fraction 20 over 40. To simplify a fraction, we need to find the greatest common factor, also known as the GCF, for both the numerator and the denominator, and divide them by that number. So let's start by identifying the numerator and the denominator. The numerator is 20 and the denominator is 40. We can find the factors for each number. Finding factors means figuring out which numbers divide into the numerator. Let's start with 20. The factors of 20 include 1, 2, 5, 10, and 20. Next, let's find the factors of 40. The factors for 40 include 1, 2, 4, 5, 8, 10, and 40. Once we found the factors of both numbers, it's time to find their greatest common factor, or GCF. The greatest common factor is the largest number that divides both 20 and 40. And we see that the greatest common factor for both of these numbers is 20. Now that we know the greatest common factor, the next step is to divide the numerator and the denominator by the GCF in order to simplify the fraction. So we divide both 20 and 40 by the GCF, which is 20. Dividing 20 by 20 equals 1, and dividing 40 by 20 equals 2. Therefore, the fraction simplified is 1/2. And there you have it. The simplified fraction of 20 over 40 is 1/2. In summary, we went through the steps of simplifying a fraction by finding the greatest common factor and dividing both the numerator and the denominator by the GCF. Factors of a number are all the numbers that divide it evenly with no remainder. The GCF is the largest of those numbers. Then you use this largest number to divide both the top and the bottom of the fraction, allowing the fraction to be simplified into its simplest